Owl eye exercise. Try this trick to turn on your owl eyes, so you can see more movement around you and be more aware of your surroundings. This exercise takes between 3 to 5 minutes. Ready? Let's do this together. Look straight ahead at where the horizon would be and hold your arms out straight in front of you. While only looking ahead, slowly move your arms to the sides until they disappear behind you. Keep looking straight ahead and start to wriggle your fingers. Now, very slowly bring your arms forward again while still wriggling your fingers. When you can see your fingers while still looking forward, you know that you are using your wide-angle vision. Slowly look to the left and look to the right, and be amazed how big your owl eyes are. Let's try the same for your top and bottom vision. Again, hold your arms in front of you, and then move one arm up and the other one down while wriggling your fingers. Move your arms around in a circle at the edge of your vision, and notice how much you can see while using your wide-angle vision. Now, look forward, and when only looking forward, notice the things that are moving. When something moves, snap onto it and zoom in for a closer look. Then return to your owl eyes and repeat. Stay with this exercise for as long as you like, but try to stay with it for at least 2 minutes.